In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to favorite in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save Squarespace templates you love, so you can find them quickly and compare them later. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Squarespace website. This is the main hub where you'll choose a design to build on. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. This takes you into the setup flow that helps Squarespace learn what you're looking for. You'll see a short series of questions about your site and goals. If you prefer to jump straight to browsing designs, you can simply click Next to skip through these screens. Keep clicking Next as needed until you reach the template selection area. Skipping here won't lock you into anything. It just speeds up the process so you can get right to exploring. When you land on the template chooser, click Choose a Template. This opens the full gallery. Now you can browse all the templates, take your time here, scroll through categories, use filters if they're available, and preview designs to see how they look on desktop and mobile. Think about your content, your brand style, and the features you'll need like galleries, scheduling, or a store. Once you find a template you want to add to your favorites, hover over its card or open its details. You'll see a small heart icon associated with that template. Click the heart to save it. This is your quick save action, and it's perfect for collecting a shortlist while you explore. After you click it, the heart will show a shaded or filled appearance. That visual change means it's now on your favorites list. To confirm that your template has been saved, look to the left side panel. At the bottom, you'll find a section labeled My Favorites. Click that, and you'll see all the templates you've hearted gathered in one place. This view is incredibly handy for comparing styles side by side before you commit to one. Your favorites will be available the next time you return, making it easy to pick up where you left off. That's all there is to it. Go to Squarespace, get started, skip the onboarding questions by clicking Next, choose a template, browse the gallery, click the heart on any design you love, and then confirm in My Favorites. Use this workflow anytime you want to curate options for a client, a new project, or a future redesign. Thanks for watching.